Building an outdoor kitchen is a major investment. You want to make sure you're using materials that are going to hold up to the outdoor environment as well as the abuse of kitchen wear and tear. You're looking at spending thousands of dollars on top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances for your outdoor kitchen. You don't want to spend a lot of time and money on an outdoor kitchen and have your grill rust out after 5 years and force you to redo your outdoor kitchen. Many homeowners want their appliances to sit in cabinets or an outdoor bar built out of a beautiful, long-lasting wood. Stay away from softwoods such as pressure-treated pine, cedar, and redwood. These softwoods are all susceptible to rot, wood-boring insects, and can catch fire quickly. They also require yearly maintenance with waterproofing sealers that will peel off. Ipe wood is one of the most durable, long-lasting woods available. It is more durable than teak and is more cost-effective as well. It is also naturally resistant to mold, mildew, rot, and decay. Wood-boring insects cannot chew through the wood. It has a Class A rating against flame spread, and it doesn't splinter like softwoods. And it has proven to last 75 years on commercial applications, like the Coney Island Boardwalk in New York. The second most durable wood we recommend for outdoor kitchens is Cumaru, which is also known as Brazilian teak. Cumaru is almost identical to Ipe. It's got a little more color variation, which ranges from golden brown to a reddish brown. Tigerwood is not as dense as Ipe or Cumaru, but it's still a very durable hardwood that's great for outdoor use. These 3 wood species are the best woods for outdoor kitchens. Check out AdvantageLumber.com and start building your outdoor kitchen dream.